Hey guys, welcome to Danger JD. I'm making a new cable for my starting battery cables for my outboard motor in my boat. The ones I have on there are a little short at the moment, so I'm going to use these as a temporary measure and until I get other wiring put in, but they should be okay. Cutting them a little shorter than they currently are, because the longer the wire, obviously the more loss you get in a DC or 12 volt system, so making them short enough that to retain as much charge or current through the wiring, but not too short as to not be able to use it functionally inside the boat. So you've got to allow yourself a bit of room, of course, for moving batteries around, etc. I'm at my parents' place, so normally I'd have a proper pair of wire cutters. I don't here. So I'm going to use a Stanley knife, at least mark it and chop it the best I can. And they cut through pretty good. So I had this fused, but this was for my car, a project on my car that I was actually going to use and extend wiring down to the rear of the vehicle, but I don't want it fused going from my starter motor and my outboard motor to the battery. It's just, to me, pointless. Okay. These ends I did a little bit earlier. Actually, probably about a couple of months, probably 3-4 months ago actually. Separate these a bit. Spade terminals, these will be soldered on. Solder. Liquid tape, I use that a bit underneath shrink tape. I've got some more shrink tape here, but that's a piece of the positive shrink tape. Soldering flux, make sure you use a bit of that, just allows the solder to penetrate or permeate the wiring better and run smoother. Yeah. Don't press too hard, otherwise you'll go through the wire and you really don't want to do that. So I'm going to cut through the plastic on the outside, the rubber. Yeah, this is a little bit bigger, but I'm going to fold it around at the end here, and it'll hopefully sit in there nicely, like so. Before I do that, focus on there. So I don't have any black for the negative, so I'm going to use green, it's dark green, and then it'll still be fine. Slip it all the way down as far as you can though. That's my mum talking to her dog.
Huh?
That's alright. It's alright, I can record your mum on there. You can talk, you're alright. Just doing up some wires
Then
for the
put
boat.
some, I don't know, you might be using something different. I think I put it in there, but I don't know.
It's alright, Mum.
Soldering thing.
Yeah, I got solder.
Wire.
Yeah, I got all that, it's okay.
Yeah. One bit tall.
I am going to use a pair of vice grips to hold this.
Has that gone? Oh, silly.
It's alright. It's alright, Mum, your voice on there now. Oh yeah, thanks. That's probably a little bit better. Let's see how that goes. Actually, I'll use this one of mine first. We'll put a bit of flux on. I'm actually going to use a little Hot Devil gas torch to melt the lead. First things first. So we're heating the bottom of the wire, letting the heat flow up. A little flux on that. Slightly bigger gas torch would work better here, but This is all I got right now. That's alright, Mum. I'll use this. This will come along pretty good. It's not too bad. So let this get a little bit cooler and then I'll check it for continuity. It's my continuity alarm. Nice and solid. Do the other one. So I'm totally okay with that as it stands. It's not perfect, you know, other people could do it better I'm sure, but I'm by no means an expert, but I do my own wiring and it's all stood up so far. So the next part of this here is I want to seal these off a bit and also want to seal this in. Shrink tape, good stuff. It's a little bit high here, a little bit of lead's dripped on through, so I want to clean that, at least make it level. You can see some of the gaps inside this. I want to make sure I fill them. I've already made me a coffee, but it's too hot.
As I take it over, we're gonna spike a straw.
No, it doesn't matter. This one's a futile existence, this one cannot bother. Oh, this won't bother. Where not to do videos. We got puppy dogs on the Indonesian River, to Mum screaming about her finger getting cut. Right. positive, negative. This will go into the battery. We've got slightly smaller ones on the other end, which I'm hoping will be fine on the motor. We'll see.